ten cuidado, güey. Hello, we are here working in some birds repellent. We try to get rid of the birds. Like you see over there, there are a bunch of pigeons try to go in the gas station after, and pretty much they do some type of work but doesn't work. We're gonna try to do something else right now. Like I believe these longer spikes, they're better in what they done in there, but hopefully we get this done soon, and we're gonna put some in there too by the camera area. There have like a nest with eggs and a lot of they got like a lot of pigeons out there in the roof.